Hello everybody, welcome to another part 2 of this video. So I went to AutoZone to buy me these O-rings for this one here. Focus on it, let's see. Alright, see, it's kind of ripped, you can barely focus on it. Anyways, the ones I got were these ones, I believe. I don't know if I'm looking right, but they're 5/16. Those fit on the fuel injectors on the Kawaski. So I put those on and they fit right in, they snugged in really good. It was a very tight fit. Hang on for a second. Okay. So they were a very tight fit in order to put this on, but which means it's good. So I put that back on, put those screws back on. It's not hard. And make sure you remember that while putting back the injectors, make sure this part here is facing that way, okay? And then I'm gonna put that back in there. This one's gonna go in here, and then you got this guy with this guy here. Turn the other way. There you go, and you're good to go. All right, okay. So now I gotta install. Well, I have the hose here. Gotta put that back. So you can see how it goes like this. Alright, so we're gonna there you go. That won't come out. Cool. That in there. I'm gonna put the air filter in there, which is not hard. Oh, alright. It's hard from right now because I'm doing it already one hand. Check out my GoPro. So, alright, before you start putting the air filter, you're gonna put the hoses first. This one and that little hose first before you install it, because it's gonna be hard to get that clamp up there because this area right here gets in the way. So give me a sec. Alright, so I got that guy in there, this guy, and the little baby one there too. They're not hard to put on, but now if you can see this baby screw right there uses a hex bolt. So I use number 3 and gonna tighten that up, plug in the electrical wire in there, and you got the screw go in there. And also give me another minute just to put this on. I only got 2 hands. You need 2 hands for this. Alright, so got that bolts in. Okay, so now I got the screw. You can use a 10mm. I'm going the wrong way. There you go. I wonder if something felt weird. Alright. There you go. Not too tight, you don't want to strip it. Alright, now next up is the tank. Alright, so I wish I had my GoPros running. I would have just used my headband. But alright, just strap this bad boy in. Alright, so I use a wrench just to hold the tank. Connected the screw back into the tank. All the hoses back, and some of these they have colored, and you know, some of these it will tell you One's red, one's blue, and the other one's blank. So there you go. Now you connect this back. That's for the fuel pump. And this thing connected back to that hose insert. So it's gonna be a pain in the ass because you have to hold. I don't know if you can see. Put my light on. All right, you see this thing right here? You have to. There's one on the other side too. So you have to you have to use 2 fingers, and then push it all the way through until you hear it click. Then you're good to go. All right, so let's see how it starts up. Gotta put the battery. Okay, first thing I forgot to mention this. Make sure you have the battery off and unplug the wires from the battery while you're doing this, because it's always good to have it without. Whatever you do with fuel, you have to have the battery off. Okay, that's what I know. All right, so let's put everything back together and let's see if it starts, because I've just replaced new spark plugs on them, and I should have made a video out of it, but there's other videos of how to do it. All right, let's see how this goes. All right, so I plug in the battery. Let's see how it goes. There we go, working good. All right, let's see. Getting there. Let the fuel go around, but hey, hope that's not a rattle. I see the fuel line. Any what? Leaks or anything like that? No leaks. No leaks. All right. I don't see any leaks, so it looks good. Well, there you go, folks. I'm gonna let the engine run for a bit so get a good flow. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys just helped out this video. If you guys have anything else, go ahead and leave a comment. If you want to see more content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, go ahead and put a big old like on it. Well, you guys have a great night, and have a safe ride. Peace.